Today we are going to review Havel GWM Great Wall Motor Dargo, and this is the Dargo model, which is four-wheel drive. Good thing about this car is really beautiful, and I'm really impressed with this model. Dargo 2000cc four-wheel drive, and value for money car. And look at the style of the car. My god, I'm impressed. 189 HP horsepower, 2.0 liter turbocharged, really super engine. And if you talk about the length, width and height, so length is 4620 and the width is 1910. And the good thing about the height, which is 1780, which is very good with this car Dargo. Look at the style, look at the grille. Wow, all four cameras, sensor front and back. Oh, really tough. And Great Wall China is #1 company, 9 consecutive years, you can see here. And good thing about this car is the wheel, the ground clearance. 200 mm is ground clearance and 60 liter petrol tank. 5-seater car. And let us go inside and see the camera. Keyless entry, four-wheel drive. Oh my god, I ever seen such a beautiful car. My god, Havel. Oh, charger, mobile charger. Oh, okay. And look at this here. This is auto hold. And look at the screen design. My god, really beautiful. Camera, leather seat. And the one good thing what I noticed, it has the chair massager. My god, chair massager also there in the car. So look at the style. Close it, let us see from the back side. Oh, dual color, orange and beige, look really amazing. And look at the style of the car. 2000cc turbocharged engine, value for money car, four-wheel drive. I mean, someone planning the car, this is the car. Dargo, Havel, four-wheel drive. And let us see from this side. This is the mileage, 12.7. So Havel Dargo, four-wheel drive, 5-door, 2023 model. Wow, look at it. This is good. Cruise control, Bluetooth, touch screen, Apple CarPlay, mobile charger. Wow. So what else you want? And leather seat, automatic chair, really super. I will recommend. Let us see the space. Oh, excellent space here also. So someone is planning in mid-range. This is the car, new launch, Great Wall, Havel Dargo. You have seen Havel Dargo, 2000cc turbocharged engine, four-wheel drive, camera, sensor, leather seat, and one good thing what like is chair massager. I would like everyone to visit and see the car, Havel Dargo 2000cc. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.